Hello from Freedomtax Accounting. We're an accounting firm where we have been providing quality tax and accounting services now for over 20 years. If you're new to this channel, we provide strategies for small business owners so they can achieve their financial goals. Although for the last couple of months, we have been concentrating in providing information about the PPP and EIDL loan programs. And we wanted to do this video about how to apply for the second round of the PPP First Draw loan online if you are self-employed. So this video is for you on how you can apply for the PPP First Draw in this second round of PPP loans if you are self-employed, and we're going to teach you how to fill out the application online. Okay, now we are recording this video on January 21st, and we always emphasize the date of the recording of any video relating to PPP because this program is constantly changing. So there may be things today that may change tomorrow. So that's the importance of subscribing to our channel, so you're always up to date with the most current and correct information regarding these PPP and EIDL loan programs. Now, who is this video for? This is for self-employed, independent contractors, sole proprietors, and single member LLCs. Basically, any business that files its business taxes using the Schedule C form, okay? And that you have not received the first PPP loan. So if you received a PPP loan in 2020, then this video is not for you, okay? We will be doing some videos on how to apply for the second PPP pretty soon, okay? Now, the business must have been operational by February 15th, 2020. And your business should not have had employees in payroll in 2019 or 2020. Remember that if you pay independent contractors, people with 1099s, those are not considered employees. If you have employees, meaning that you give your employee a W-2 at the end of the year, then this video, once again, is not for you. So this is on how to apply for the First Draw PPP loan online for self-employed, independent contractors, sole proprietors, single members LLC, basically any business that files under the Schedule C form, okay? Now, we will apply online using the BlueVine website. There are many ways to apply for the First Draw PPP. We have found and we have had a lot of success with BlueVine. So that's what we're going to teach you in this video. You are going to need several documents in order to apply for the First Draw PPP, okay? You're going to need your 2019 or your 2020 Schedule C. You're going to need a color copy of your driver's license on both sides. You're going to need the January 2020 and February 2020 bank statement of the account used for the business. You're going to need also a void check of the business. Now, if you're self-employed, you may not have a business account, but you must have an account that's under your name. And you just need the account that you use for your business. Okay? If you don't have a separate business account and you have only one checking account where you mix personal and business, that's not 100% correct, but use the checking account where your business funds flow through, okay? And then the void check, you just need a blank check from that same account, checking account, in blank, and you just write void on the check, all right? Now, important to know that before you fill out this online form, that you see, even if you are eligible for the PPP First Draw and you have an idea on how much you're going to get approved. So this is the formula. So basically, you need to take a look at your 2019 or 2020 Schedule C, which is this form, okay? You will find this form inside your personal tax return. For this second round of PPP First Draw loans, you can use your 2019 Schedule C or your 2020 Schedule C, okay? So you need to find your Schedule C and take a look down at line 31, which is right here. This is your net profit. If this number is a negative number, you will not be able, you're not eligible to get the first draw PPP, okay? So whatever numbers here on line 31, jot it down, all right? And then you take that number, all right? You take line 31 of your Schedule C, 2019 or 2020, you divide that number by 12, and then you multiply it by 2.5, and that is your eligible PPP loan amount. The importance of getting the correct PPP loan amount from the beginning is to ensure that you get 100% forgiveness, right? Now let's start. You start by going to BlueVine website, which is bluevine.com, right? So this is the home page, and you basically have to click here where it says apply now. Then you're given an option. You're giving 3 options. Yes, I have received a PPP loan through BlueVine. Yes, I have received a PPP loan through another entity, or no, I have not received a PPP loan before. This is the option you are going to choose. No, I have not received a PPP loan before. Then here you're going to create your BlueVine account. You're going to put your first name, your last name, your phone number, the email address, and you're going to create a password. So they send you a email confirmation email. You confirm your email, and then they take you to this page. You need to provide the information about your business. So you need to put here your business name. If you have an LLC, then you put here your LLC name. If you do not work under an LLC and you're an independent contractor, a sole proprietor, self-employed, then you will put your personal name here, all right? Here you will put your business address. Now, important that you put here the address that's on your Schedule C, okay? If you take a look at your Schedule C, it says business address. So make sure that the address that's here on your Schedule C is the same address you're going to put here on the application. Here you put your tax ID, EIN number, or Social Security number. If you are working under an EIN number, for example, if you're working under an LLC, the LLC has its own tax ID number, which is the EIN number. You put here your EIN number. If you are not working under an LLC, then here you put your Social Security number. Here you put your annual revenue. Where do you find this number? You go back again to your Schedule C, and you take a look at line 1, which is your gross receipts or sales. So the number that's on line 1 of the Schedule C, that's the number that you place here on annual revenue. Your customers is a drop down, and is going to give you options on who are your customers. Are your customers other businesses? Are your customers people? Are your customers government agencies? So you choose the options that's better for you. Entity type. Here they're going to give you different options of entities. Is going most probably you're going to choose sole proprietor. That's what you are if you are filing under the Schedule C. And existing financing, basically they tell you if you already have a loan with BlueVine. If you don't have a loan with BlueVine already, then here you put none. You click next, and it's going to take you to a couple of questions, okay? Most of these questions you're going to answer no, all right? But read them carefully, but when you go through them, most of you are going to answer no for all of them. Then you're going to have to provide your bank information in order for BlueVine to make the direct deposit if your PPP loan gets approved. Here you put your bank name, the routing number, the account number, and you verify your account number. And here they are asking that you upload a copy of your February 2020 bank statement where you run your business, Okay, so that's why you needed to have the February bank statement of 2020 of the checking account that you use to run your business. You upload that February 2020 bank statement here, and you click continue. And then they're going to ask for information about yourself. They're going to ask for your first name, the last name. They're going to ask for your home address. In the home address, make sure you put the home address that's on your driver's license, okay? And the phone number, date of birth, social security number, your role or title. Here you put owner. Percentage of business you own. Here you put 100% because you're self-employed. Then you put here, other than you, are there any individuals who own 20% or more of your business? You choose no because you are the only owner, you're self-employed. You click the box to certify the information, you click next. Then they're going to ask for more questions. Is your business seasonal? Most self-employed, you're going to put no. The business start date, you're going to put the date that you started to do your business. Aside from payroll, what else will this loan be used for? If you are applying under a Schedule C, you only check payroll because the Schedule C, the PPP loan, 100% will be for owner compensation, so you only click payroll, okay? Industry classification, they give you a list of different type of industries, and you're going to choose the one that applies for you. It says retail, construction, ride shares, e-commerce. They give you a lot of options, so you choose the industry that's more applies to your business. Then they're going to ask you for your average monthly payroll. All right. So here, once again, you need to take a look at your Schedule C. Take your Schedule C. And once again, take the number that's on line 31. So on line 31, the number that's there, you will divide by 12. And that number is your average monthly payroll. A number of employees, you put 1 because you're self-employed. So here you put 1. In this question where it says, which time period did you use for this calculation, here you're going to choose if you are using 2019 Schedule C or 2020 Schedule C. You confirm that the amount that you have put here as average monthly payroll is being used with the line 31 of Schedule C. Here you need to put no. Did you get an EIDL loan? Now this is tricky. Between January 31st, 2020 and April 3rd of 2020. So this is a different EIDL loan from the COVID EIDL loan. So if you did not get an EIDL loan from January 31st, 2020 and April 3rd, 2020, then you put no. And since you put no, everything here is 0 because you did not get it. And then they're going to ask another bunch of questions. If you were bankrupt, if you were incarcerated, if you're an owner of another business, basically, if you answer yes to any of these questions, your PPP loan will not get approved. So you answer these questions. More questions over here and then they're going to ask for your demographic information. This is optional. You do not need to do this demographic information. Then you certify that the information is correct. You click finish, and then they will tell you that you qualify for any amount. That they will tell you the amount that you qualify for. They will send you an email, okay, to activate your account. And then, so this is the email you get. Once you click activate your account, you're going to log back in, and they're going to tell you that your application is almost ready, but you need to complete a few additional tasks. When you click see task, they're going to ask you to upload your 1040 Schedule C. This is where you upload the document. You upload it once, and then they may email you again saying, okay, now upload the copy of the driver's license. Now upload a copy of the voided check. So whatever documentation they ask for, you just need to go here and upload those documents. Once you finish that, it says thank you for your application. It says the application will be sent to the SBA, and they will send you an email with instructions for the next steps, okay? And basically you're done. But we recommend that you log in periodically to check the status of your application. Once again, they may ask for additional documentation like driver's license, copy of the void check. But basically, once you go through that process, in a couple of days, you should hear back from BlueVine saying if you are approved or not approved. All right. So that's basically the application. A lot of people are calling our office to ask about our services. Remember, we are a full service tax accounting firm. We can help you with your personal and business taxes. We do business accounting and bookkeeping. We are doing EIDL loan applications, PPP1, PPP2 loan applications, and consultations. And we do a lot of services related to taxes, okay? You can call our office at 407-344-1012, or you can visit our website at freedomtaxfl.com, all right? So remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video, and watch this suggested video. And we wish you all a happy and a blessed day, all right? Thank you, and God bless you. Bye-bye.